anniversary. We had a simple celebration and dining at Casa Tamayo. We ate crab, shrimp, and crawfish boodle style, while Bart enjoyed the corn. But in today's video, it's all about our last year anniversary adventure at Great Wolf Lodge, California.
It's me. What do you like the birds?
Because he's a crab and stuff. Tasty, leafy, woody green sauce.
The birds.
Soft like shining frosty. I just ate my.
Don't eat mommy. What?
Drop of that.
Pick it up. Sorry, Dad.
This is your one.
Okay, Daddy?
Not gonna work. I want the ones that glow up.
Ito, Axel.
Display lang yan.
Right now, they're still doing the magic quest while Elvis is waiting for the food.
It's too small for you? No, it's too big. Too big for your butt. Watch out! We're heading to the waterfalls.
See you downstairs.
It was scary because I was falling backward.
Would you recommend it to people to ride it?
If you're not scared.
I'm chilling and I just want to wait for the.
Would you recommend it to other kids?
I need you to hold on the handle.
How's it?
Mama's on the back!
Bakit?
I act like nothing. I'm like,
Wala lang. Hindi ko nakikita yung tsura niya eh.
I'm gonna
Sino?